Ever wondered how to create visually stunning PowerPoint presentations that captivate your audience? Imagine a world where each slide tells a story, where each bullet point drives a point home. That's the power of a well-crafted presentation. In learning environments, a well-structured PowerPoint presentation can simplify complex concepts, making them easier to grasp. In the business world, a captivating presentation can be the difference between a successful pitch and a missed opportunity. It's all about delivering your message in the most engaging way possible. After all, we're visual creatures, we respond to what we see, and what we see can influence our understanding, our decisions, and ultimately our actions. So, whether you're teaching a class, pitching a product, or presenting a report, remember, your PowerPoint presentation is more than just a collection of slides. It's a powerful tool. Creating an advanced PowerPoint presentation may seem daunting, but with the right tools and knowledge, you can master it. Creating a powerful presentation starts with understanding its basic elements. So what are these elements? Let's dive right in. The first is the title slide. This is your opening act, your first impression. It's crucial to make it count. Your title slide should be clear, concise, and compelling, setting the tone for what's to come. Next are the content slides. These are the heart of your presentation. Each slide should focus on one key point or idea. Overloading your slides with information can overwhelm your audience and make your message harder to understand. Remember, less is more. Break complex ideas into bite-sized pieces and distribute them across multiple slides. This makes your content more digestible and keeps your audience engaged. The closing slide is your final chance to make an impact. It should summarize your key points and provide a clear next step for your audience. This could be a call to action, a question to provoke thought, or simply a thank you for their time. Consistency in design is another fundamental aspect. Having a consistent theme, color scheme, and font style across all slides not only looks professional, it also helps keep your audience focused on your content rather than being distracted by varying designs. Readable text is a no-brainer. If your audience can't easily read your slides, they won't be able to follow along. Stick with simple, clean fonts and make sure your text is large enough to be read from a distance. Clear visuals are the cherry on top. Quality images, charts, and graphs can greatly enhance your presentation by breaking up text and illustrating your points in a visually engaging way. But remember, all these elements should serve your message, not overshadow it. Your slides are there to support your speech, not the other way around. With these elements, you're well on your way to creating an impactful presentation. Now let's dive into the world of visuals, a key player in making your presentation stand out. Visuals, when used wisely, can transform your presentation from good to great, from ordinary to extraordinary. They have the power to explain complex ideas, amplify your message, and engage your audience in a way that words alone can't. Choosing the right visuals for your presentation is an art in itself. It's not about packing your slides with random images or flashy animations. It's about selecting visuals that align with your message, resonate with your audience, and enhance your narrative. High-quality images are a must. They add a professional touch to your presentation and show your audience that you mean business. But remember, quality over quantity. One stunning, relevant image can speak volumes more than a cluster of mediocre ones. Charts and graphs are your best friends when it comes to representing data. They translate numbers and statistics into digestible, visual formats that are easy to understand and remember. A well-designed chart can tell a story, reveal trends, and make a strong point. But be mindful of not overloading your charts with too much data. Keep them simple, clean, and easy to interpret. But visuals are not just about images and charts. It's also about how you use colors, fonts, and layouts. These elements together create the visual harmony that keeps your audience engaged and focused on your message. While visuals add value to your presentation, it's important to strike a balance. You don't want your audience to get lost in a sea of visuals and lose sight of your message. Your visuals should support your message, not overshadow it. They should spark interest, not confusion. They should clarify, not complicate. Remember, your visuals should support your message, not distract from it. In the world of presentations, visuals are not just decorations. They are powerful communication tools that, when used effectively, can make your presentation a memorable one. So next time you create a presentation, think visually, because a picture is worth 1,000 words and a well-crafted visual can be worth 1,000 slides. PowerPoint is packed with advanced features that can take your presentation to the next level. Now let's dive into some of these, shall we? First up, we have animations. Animations can truly bring your slides to life. They can add a sense of excitement and anticipation, but remember, less is more. If every text box, image, and shape is spinning, bouncing, or zooming, the audience might get distracted. So, use animation sparingly and strategically. For instance, you can animate a key point to draw attention or animate a process diagram to show progression. Next, we have transitions. Transitions are the animations that occur when you move from one slide to the next. Like animations, transitions can add a layer of polish and professionalism to your presentation, but again, use them judiciously. A simple fade or wipe is often more effective than a flashy cube spin or vortex. The goal is to guide the audience through your presentation seamlessly, not to dazzle them with special effects. Then we have embedded videos. Videos can be a powerful tool to illustrate a point or to break up a long presentation. You can embed a YouTube video directly into your slide, or even a clip from your local files. But be sure to keep the video relevant and concise, and always have a backup plan in case the video doesn't play. Finally, let's talk about hyperlinks. Hyperlinks can be used to navigate within your presentation, to open a document, or to link to a website. This can be especially useful in interactive presentations or when you want to provide additional resources. In conclusion, PowerPoint's advanced features like animations, transitions, embedded videos, and hyperlinks can significantly enhance your presentation. But they are not the stars of the show, they are the supporting actors. Your content is the star. These features are there to enhance your content, not to overshadow it. These advanced features, when used wisely, can make your presentation more dynamic and engaging. So go ahead, experiment with these features, but always keep your audience and your message in mind. Scene script. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry, we have just the solution for you. Enter Expert Slides, a game changer in the world of presentations. This is not just another add-in for Microsoft PowerPoint. It's your secret weapon to creating beautiful, well-structured, and engaging presentations in the blink of an eye. Let's face it, creating a presentation that captivates your audience, whether they are business professionals or students, is not a walk in the park. It requires a deep understanding of design principles, an eye for aesthetics, and most importantly, time. Time that you could be spending on other important tasks. But what if there was a way to bypass all that? What if you could create an advanced-looking presentation in seconds, not hours? That's exactly what Expert Slides offers. Expert Slides is packed with hundreds of professionally designed templates that are ready to use. These aren't your run-of-the-mill, seen a million times before templates. They are unique, visually stunning, and designed to make your content shine. Whether you're creating a sales pitch, a training module, or an academic presentation, there's a template for every occasion. And the best part? Using Expert Slides is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Simply install the add-in, select your desired template, and voila! Your presentation is ready to impress. No more fiddling with design elements or struggling with complicated features. Expert Slides takes care of all that for you, but don't let its simplicity fool you. Despite its user-friendly interface, Expert Slides is a powerful tool that allows you to customize your presentations to your heart's content. Want to change the color scheme? No problem. Need to add some animations? Consider it done. With Expert Slides, you are in control. So why spend precious time and energy creating presentations from scratch when you can let Expert Slides do the heavy lifting? Start creating advanced, visually appealing PowerPoint presentations today with Expert Slides. With Expert Slides, creating advanced PowerPoint presentations has never been easier. Ready to transform your presentations and impress your audience? It's time to elevate your game with Expert Slides. This isn't just about creating slides. It's about crafting stories that captivate, inform, and inspire. It's about standing out in meetings, captivating your students, or winning that client over with a presentation that's as impressive as your ideas. With Expert Slides, you're not just getting a tool, you're unlocking a treasure trove of hundreds of professionally designed templates. Whether you're pitching a product, teaching a class, or sharing a report, there's a template that fits your needs. And the best part? It's simple to use. Just install the add-in, select a template, and watch your presentation transform into a visually appealing masterpiece in seconds. No fuss, no stress, just stunning presentations ready to make an impact. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to access Expert Slides and start creating visually stunning PowerPoint presentations today.